Hey, good evening, or good morning, or good afternoon. At the time of this recording, my second highest, viewed video, and one of the most recent that I just posted, has 17 views, which, I only have 12 subscribers. I'm really new, so that's more than I can ask for. I appreciate, all 17 and 12 of you. And, even if, one of them is my ex's ex, I appreciate you. Um, sorry. So, oh yeah, so while it's, still fresh and whatnot, that video, of course, is like really edited, really just a lot. So I thought it'd be fun to pull it up, unedited. And I want to be real. Some of the edits really make me look a bit more sane than the actual, raw footage. Especially like when I started laughing like a crackhead. I lost my mind. I apologize. So, there we go. So, enjoy how awkward it kind of looks. Peace out. Hey, hi, how are you guys doing? I had every intention to record earlier today instead of it being like late in the night, so I have to like edit late in the night, which brings me to my next point where I've been editing when I've been really tired, so that's why I'm not gonna that's why it looks really crazy. And not all the blame is on that, because I just have like a style that I'm going for where it's just, over edited. Um, but it's just not there yet. Also, happy Friday, Black Friday. Um, so after Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that's my last day of this challenge. It's been a nice journey, except not. I hated it quite a bit. It's been inconvenient. It's been awkward. However, as is blooming, getting used to YouTube, it's really good for, getting used to it. A lot less camera shy, more, I can talk more freely. I don't hate looking at myself or sound the way that I sound as much as I did. Working on it. So, today might be a lot shorter than the other days. Oh, right. I had a friend review. They said that my videos have like no direction, and honestly, he's right. It has come to my attention that my videos have no direction, and that needs a correction so I can get more affection. And yeah, I was thinking about that almost all day. Well, not all day, but it's been on my mind. So, that's a great question. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where am I going? I've been in the same place every time I recorded because I don't have storage on my phone, so I'm just using an iPad. I'm trapped here for recording. Um, anyways, I just hope that my lovely editing style, whatever it is, um, makes people happy. I hope that, I don't know, like, I have a certain energy that maybe some people just really like. I'm tired. I don't mean to be tired, but every time I record, I'm just tired. It's at the end of the day. I just, I want to go to sleep. I want to get on a good sleeping schedule again. So, it's been nice. It's been lovely. If you liked the video, please like it. If you want to hang out for more, please subscribe. If you want to help out with the algorithm, maybe give a comment. I hope you've enjoyed. Good night.